Kenyans, what if I told you that there's a better way to invest back home? What if I told you that there's a real estate company that prioritizes you? What if I told you that there's a way that your money can make you earn while you sleep? Come, let me tell you more. We've heard it, you've heard it. Someone like you in the diaspora sending money back home for mjengo. And seemingly so, it doesn't pan out. Maybe you sent money to a relative, a friend, a colleague, or someone you trust. But we're here to tell you it's possible. Let me introduce you to TSAVO, the brand that you can trust. 17 completed projects, 6,000 plus investors, 1,500 of those investors being in the diaspora, just like you. In fact, I'm sat on one of the TSAVOs, and if you zoom closely, that's another TSAVO. You've seen it. TSAVO is truly the brand that you can trust. It's time.